ready to unlock crucial insights into how users engage with your Search Console form. First, head over to your Google Tag Manager account and select the container you're using for your website. Navigate to the Tags section on the left-hand side. Click New to create a new tag, then click on Tag Configuration. This is where we define what the tag does. Choose the custom HTML tag type. Now, it's time to get your hands on some JavaScript. This code listens for the form submission event. Copy and paste this JavaScript into the HTML section, which will trigger a data layer when the form is submitted. Next, let's set up the trigger. Click on Triggering. You'll need to create a new trigger to fire this tag. Click the plus sign to create a trigger. Choose Custom Event as your trigger type. This is essential for tracking the form submission. Name your custom event something like Search Console Forums and remember this name. You'll need it later. Save the trigger, then save the tag. Double check that your custom HTML tag is properly configured and the trigger is set to fire on your custom event. Ensure the JavaScript is firing properly. Finally, it is crucial that you submit and publish your container changes now. Head over to the Variables section and make sure it is working properly.